Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that here is the next cryptocurrency exchange which files for bankruptcy. Then the second news I would like to talk about, it's all about what Janet Yellen is saying as worrying about if they do not increase the US debt ceiling, the US can be in serious trouble from the 1st of June. And then we have new laws, Argentina kind of against crypto, actually France for crypto. So let's talk about these kind of things. And don't forget, every day I'm making a couple of fresh videos for you to keep you up to date. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto, blockchain, economy, then definitely this is the place to be. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe to the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and let's start it. So as usual, let's start with the prices. Bitcoin is down 1.4%. That makes Bitcoin $27,584 while Ethereum is about 1% down, $1,841. When we're looking at the top gainers, Bitcoin SV is going up since, Bitcoin BRC20 tokens issue. Then Bitcoin SV started to go up, but actually this is not the real Bitcoin, put it this way. Then we have Lido down 9% up and Kava 8%. So there's some move in the altcoin market. And when we're looking at the losers, well, Wu Network down 15%, Pepe continues to go down 15%, Stacks 9%. So actually some move up, some move down. And why we looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that actually we did broke this level here at 28,000-ish, put it this way. And the next support, it was around 27,000. And actually the lowest point was 27,280. So actually this candle here on the daily chart went all the way down here and we came up here. So this support was kind of holding us, and we will see which way we continue. Actually, tomorrow the new CPI data is coming out for April. So we will see that it's going to be, the forecast is 5%. It's going to be bigger or lower than 5%. We will see, and this can obviously move the market either direction, depends what the news will be. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that here's actually the next crypto exchange which files for bankruptcy. So we had a very difficult year last year when it comes to crypto companies and bankruptcies. We had, Celsius, we had like Voyager, we had like FTX, and so on and so forth. And actually, this series hasn't finished yet, as we have here now Bittrex, which files for bankruptcy in Delaware. So the crypto exchange Bittrex has filed for bankruptcy in the United States of Delaware on Monday, months after announcing it would wind down operation in the country and weeks after being sued by the SEC. So the exchange believes it has more than 100,000 creditors with estimated liabilities and assets both within the $500 million to $1 billion range, according to the court filing. And by the way, the co-founder and the CEO of the company is saying that Bittrex still has 100% of all customer funds and the people will get the money back. But now this was the best thing to do, to file for Chapter 11. So we can see that actually there are still companies out there, they couldn't recover from the bear market situation, and even that now we could see some moves to the upside. We might have bottomed, but of course we don't know how this whole story continues. When we believe that maybe after the halving the market can go up. The halving is about 1 year away, and actually usually when you're looking at back historically, then you can see that actually straight after the halving, nothing is happening basically. It takes, a pretty long time for Bitcoin to go up. So even if halving happens, that can take a lot of time. And now there's a lot of, uncertainties and questions about the economic situation. What about, when recession will hit the US because we have these bank problems, debt ceiling problem, what I'm going to talk about in a second. So all these kind of things and how crypto will behave. Right now, we can see that actually the one good thing which is happening to the miners, Bitcoin miners, is that making now quite good money like they would do in the bull market, even in these difficult situations. But this is because of BRC20 tokens right now on the Bitcoin blockchain. But otherwise now there's some correction right now on the market. And the second topic I would like to discuss is all about what Janet Yellen was saying in the interview, that actually the US is at risk that they cannot pay their bills from the 1st of June. So it's very important to increase the debt ceiling. So probably more money printing is coming. Why I say this? Listen to this interview by Janet Yellen, and then we're going to talk about it.
Early June is when we project that we will run out of cash, and there is a chance it could be as early as June 1st. Of course, there is a lot of uncertainty, and I plan to update Congress as new information becomes available, but that's still our current thinking.
Are there extraordinary measures you can take around that time, or is that it?
Well, really, that's it. We've been using extraordinary measures for several months now, and our ability to do that is running out, and we will start to run down our cash. And our current projection is that in early June, a day will come when we're unable to pay our bills unless Congress raises the debt ceiling.
What happens on that day? Let's assume for the sake of argument it's June 1st. What happens that day if the debt limit has not been extended?
Well, Treasury finds itself in a position where we're unable to pay all of the bills that come due that day. And this would be really the first time in the history of America that we would fail to make payments that are due. And, whether it's defaulting on interest payments that are due on the debt or...
Anyway, you got the picture. So the drama still goes on. They usually always, increase the debt ceiling. They cannot do anything else, basically, because otherwise they facing issues they haven't faced in the history. Simply, they just cannot pay their bills. The United States, and therefore it's crucial for the Congress to increase the debt ceiling. And everybody's talking about that they will, because they have to avoid this situation. Even raising the debt ceiling is less worse than not doing so and having these kind of problems. But still, we are here at 9th of May, and this is still now a discussion, so it hasn't finalized yet. But most likely they will do it. Otherwise, I just cannot see how they continue. They have enough trouble without this. Probably it's going to be a yes, and we will see what will be the next ceiling, which they're going to reach sooner or later as well. Anyway, but this is now going around in social media, so that's why I thought it's worth to talk about it. Okay, and now two other countries, Argentina and also France, both have a different crypto approach. One is against crypto, other one is for. So let's talk about their new laws. Okay, so we have Argentina saying no to crypto payments, and France tolerate, influencers in finance. So we have Argentina's central bank banned payment providers from offering crypto transactions, adding that it intends to reduce the country's payment system exposure to digital assets. So actually, really, Argentina, with their huge inflation right now, try to, trap people and not let them out, because they cannot control if the people will get crypto and Bitcoin, and this will be definitely for them an opportunity to survive. So they can have full control until the people have to use their currency, which is in a terrible situation. So obviously, Argentina is now going against crypto. But it's not all countries, obviously. Many countries are for crypto. And here we have France. And in France, the Senate Committee on Economic Affairs approved an amendment allowing registered crypto companies to hire social media influencers for advertising and also for promotional purposes. So the new wording would allow companies registered with France's Financial Market Authority to hire product influencers, which means they willing to advertise crypto. They are definitely for crypto. So we can see that in different parts of the world, in different countries, there's different approach when it comes to crypto. And we see many countries, they are for crypto and understood the whole situation. But those countries which actually facing huge difficulties with hyperinflation and all these kind of things, they can be losing control. And to control the people, they do not want to allow them to use crypto, because this could be definitely one way to escape of the situation, and with that they can lose their control. So this is what's happening in Argentina. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making a couple of fresh videos for you to keep yourself up to date in crypto, blockchain, economy related topics. So if that's important for you, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then hit the like button. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.